Knowing your why helps you live longer. It helps you feel happier. And so many of my patients have never asked themselves why they're on the planet and what their goals are. Most great businesses have very clear business plans. Most great businesses know what they want to accomplish. Most people have never asked themselves that question, because once you know your why, you can then ask the next question. Does my behavior fit with what I want? And so I'm always talking to my patients about asking, if I do this, well, then what will happen? And does it fit? And so for my physical goals, I want to be a certain weight because, as I said, I have a brother and two sisters that are significantly overweight. So I know I have the vulnerability. And so when I go to think about the cheesecake at my mom's house, I'm like, doesn't fit. And, I might love it, but it won't love me back. I am only going to love for certain foods that love me back. And then you're in a good relationship and it fits. And people go, oh, that must be so boring. It's like, no, being sick is boring. Having pain is boring. Doing the right thing gives you energy, gives you vibrance, gives you happiness.